second half of the season.
Remember, we want to weight those pegs.
GXSR1000 gates.
What was that?
I said I might be a little bit.
Alright, here we are at the X-Star M4. How's it feeling there, Bond Girl?
A little scary.
Okay, so this is like one leg at a time. You can sit down if you'd like to do it. Okay.
Hey, look, I'm going to help you put your pants on. Alright, well.
I don't even have the strength to get it off.
This is just like a good husband to help his wife with the boots.
These are like really hot.
Huh?
Yeah. Stay in the shade, stay cool.
We know who wears the pants in the family.
Hold this up a bit.
Don't think
You're just
about
going to go
how
up
hot
to
it
your
is.
feet.
Oh, but
This is the one that
Hey, wait a minute. This is not Bond body armor, I'm just saying.
Is it hot?
It's hot. I want my...
You can't zip it.
What?
You don't have to have it zipped up.
I want my Bond body armor.
Hey, you want what?
I want my Bond body armor back.
folks that come out to experience the Dunlop X-Star Suzuki 2-seat Superbike ride. Chris Ulrich. Chris is running around taking care of his responsibilities as team manager right now. But I'm here to help you with everything you need. What we have here is Suzuki GSXR1000, top of the line race replica sport bike that Suzuki makes. Came off the assembly line in Japan. They gave it to us. We created a replica of the Superbikes that Bobby Fong and Cameron Peterson were just racing here a little while ago. And we are in fact also riding on the very same Dunlop slick tires that they race on here in MotoAmerica. These foot pegs are your best friends. This is where you're going to start building a foundation that's going to give you a lot of stability and control to stay on the bike. You do that by weighting these pegs with the toes of your feet or the balls of your feet. And it ends up putting you in a very athletic position that gives you a lot of stability in all directions. So much stability that in the 20 years we've been doing this program, the handle here in the gas tank's only been around about 10 years. Okay? Please keep your hands on the handle the whole time the ride's in motion. Waving at 140 miles per hour, not a good idea. Right? I know there's fans here, and you know we want to look cool in front of the fans, but we don't want to look bad in front of the fans either, right? You just can't have any more fun than you're having. You tell Chris that by keeping your hands there and giving him a couple of elbows in the ribs. But in case you don't know who Chris is, before he was a team manager, he was a professional racer on the series for 20 years. He's won races at this level. His last year before he retired, he was 6th in the championship. He's walking up right now. And I tell you this, he's a professional racer for a long time, and now he's a professional 2-seat Superbike ride giver. All right, and to date we've given about 1,300 rides. And again, it's all about having fun and communicating to you what it's like to go racing.
We'll roll out of the pits and we'll gently build speed as I get to know you. We've done enough of these and I want to know how the ride's going to go. So kind of know how the ride's going to go standing here. So we'll just build speed. We are going to go fast where there's people like watching. So like the straightaways and stuff, we won't do that first. No willies? Oh, there will be willies. But that's clearly based on your comfort level. So, I'm using goal again, but the number one goal is to make sure you have a good time. You still like motorcycles, you still kind of like us at the end of this. And you enjoy it. And it's one of those experiences that not very many people get to do all the time.
Alright, Purple on 3 of MoabMerica. You're going to go racing. What do you think?
Ready. I am ready.
Just remember, hang on.
I'm going to hang on tight.
Hang on tight.
I am.
Alright, Purple on 3, you got this.
Alright, this is Jody. So everybody except for one today has ridden on a motorcycle before.
You ready?
Yeah, Jody's ready. Okay, so if we get back on your toes and balls your feet, better. Where we want to weight those pigs. Alright, this is rider 4 of 7. Shield down and locked. Alright, this is rider 4 of 7. Shields down and locked. Shields down and locked.
There she goes. We're here waiting for Purple on 3 for her first lap. I believe I hear something. You hear something, Trish?
I do.
What could it be?
You guys will be able to pick her up. You'll be able to see her behind those trees.
There she goes. Oh, she's flying. See the guy with the checkered flag. Oh, here it comes. There she goes. She comes. Purple on 3 did it. Yay!
Straight down. Stand up.
Holy, you know, holy shit. Oh my gosh.
Take that helmet off. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's hear all about it.
Yeah, I gotta undo
Here, I got this.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna fall off. I did? I thought I was gonna fall. Okay, I shouldn't say that. Hold on, tight. Oh my gosh.
What's it feel like to go 150?
I don't, it's crazy fast. Crazy fast.
Do it again?
Yeah. Yeah, I would. Oh my gosh.
Well, Purple on 3, thanks for participating in the...
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, that was obviously the fastest I've ever gone in my entire life. It was hard to hang on. I had a death grip on that, and you can't even tell where you're at out there. Like, I don't even recall coming past the first time.
Whoa, what?
I mean, because
We all waved, didn't you see us?
Yeah, no. And your helmet feels like it's going to come off. That is how fast it is. That is how fast it is. So
How are the turns?
you're looking at the pavement, okay? Like, give me that GoPro. You are like here, okay? That's what it felt like. Did it feel like that in the turns?
That's about what it feels like.
Yeah.
So could you touch the ground, maybe?
Could have.
If you reach out, yeah, you can.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's what those are for.
Yeah.
The knee pucks.
Knee
right?
pucks.
Knee
That is a knee slider.
So, yeah.
Well, what do you
If you look
say?
at that one there, those ones are ground off.
I aren't even at my knees, so
Was it,
too fast.
well, Wayne, thank you
Yes.
for the experience of a lifetime.
Yeah, thank you. I'd like to thank Dunlop for giving us this opportunity,
Yeah.
or me this opportunity. I
Wayne,
appreciate
Corey,
it. Yeah.
all the Dunlop crew. Thanks.
Yep.
Thanks for
It's
changing all
amazing.
those tires every race weekend.
Yeah. It's an amazing time, so thank you to Dunlop for that.
The pit racetrack on Wampum, Pennsylvania.
Wampum!
What a awesome day we had.
Yeah.
Okay, Purple on 3, this is all you.
All right. Well, guys, now the highlight, I gotta say, the highlight of my day was getting to ride 2-ups with a professional racer. He's retired, or Chris, his name.
AMA racer, awesome guy.
Yep. They said he is so fast he can still qualify with
Yeah.
a 200-pound guy riding behind him.
Yep.
He can still qualify. So he is fast. It was incredible. And Tommy G and Brad and Tricia were watching, and they're like, "Did you see us?" I'm like, "No, because you make 2 laps." I was basically disoriented out there. So I thank Dunlop for the opportunity to do that today. Compliments of Dunlop.
Yep.
I know we talked about Dunlop American Elite in one of our videos. So we appreciate them arranging that. And so what was your favorite part of the day, Tommy G?
Watching the expressions as each of the riders got off from their 2-up sport bike experience. It was so funny. It just they were all in shock. That was fun. But congratulations to all the racers that got out there and raced today and this weekend. And congratulations to the winners. And we're coming back.
Yeah, we'll be back. This was our second year, like you said, and we had so much fun. It's just really fun to watch them go that fast.
If you happen to be going through Pennsylvania, I think it's around the same week every year.
Yeah,
If you're coming through in August, hey, hit us up, hang out at Front Porch Farms, and we'll head down to the races.
Thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and we really appreciate your support. And I know I already said this once somewhere, but when I wake up tomorrow and begin my day with gratitude, if I wake up tomorrow, I'm going to be thankful that I made it through that ride alive. So thanks again, and we'll catch you later.
Wait a minute, I think tonight you're going to be like in your sleep, you're going to go,
Well, you know what? That could be.
Yeah.
That could be.
I better get my earplugs.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If
Thank
you're not
you.
a subscriber, please check out our other videos and consider subscribing because it's free. And sorry, was that Oh, sorry, that was a Superbike free.
Ah.
And remember to begin each day with gratitude, guys. Bye for now.
Woo!